Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're comparing the video recording quality of the brand new Asus Zenfone 10 against one of the heavyweights in the compact phone territory, and that's the Samsung Galaxy S23. So which one does better in terms of video recording? Zenfone 10, Galaxy S23. Right now we're using just the main camera, 4K resolution, 30 frames per second. Let's slowly pan around, compare the colors, the exposure, the dynamic range. This is what it looks like on these two phones. Now let's also switch to the ultra-wide camera, so you get a wider perspective, of course. And let's do the same exercise, just panning around, so you get a sense of the colors and the differences in terms of just detail, dynamic range. All right, now going back to the main camera, I want to show you something interesting. The Zenfone 10 has gimbal-like video stabilization, or so are the claims. So let's test that out by just walking quite fast. Alright, and if we stop right here, which one do you think did a better job? The Asus Zenfone 10 or the Galaxy S23? Alright, next up we have nighttime video recording, Galaxy S23, Asus Zenfone 10. And you can definitely see the highlights kind of burned out here on the Zenfone 10. Alright. And when you point towards the water, it's getting pretty dark, but the Galaxy is still able to capture a lot of light, so that's pretty impressive. And we have a beautiful view here. Let's also walk a bit to get a sense of the stabilization on these two phones, and also try using the ultra wide camera. A big drop in quality. That's what it looks like. Very dark. Switching back to 1X. Which one do you think does a better job? Let me know in the comments.